range.
Having earlier demonstrated the effectiveness and details behind a smaller body of water's trolling bite.
Woo! That is a good one.
What is it that an angler can expect to run into specifically?
Catch another one, baby.
When including bogs as an area to fish for walleyes.
Nice eye.
Oh, that's a good one.
Or even other species of fish when jigging.
What you see here on the shoreline is a boggy shoreline. And in some of the lakes, the bogs themselves, they actually float. But in many other places, like we have right here, the bog is a shoreline. But the neat thing about it is there's usually pretty darn deep water next to it. In this case, I'm in 7.5 feet of water, and it's a short underhand flip really to the shoreline. So that bog comes out and it creates a wall. And then you've got sometimes weeds and cabbage and reeds and a lot of wood, a lot of fallen down timber that litters the bottom between the boat and yourself. Kind of a meticulous thing. You have to pitch in there and work your jigs through the wood and everything, and you don't really know exactly where you're going to contact a school of fish. So the one thing that I like to do is to go to the little 1/8 ounce jigs and 2.5 inch gulp tails. And you guys all know that I love this rig. But the main reason is I can fish it fast. I can fish along these shoreline edges until I contact a school of fish, and then you can pitch jigs and still catch them. Now, once you catch them, if you really start getting the mother load, you could always slip the anchor down and slip bobber fish these areas and probably catch even more fish.
Fish on. Good one. Nice one. We're gonna need the net, Gary.
All right.
Nice fish.
How's he feel?
Good. Nice one. Oh yeah, beauty.
Oh yeah. That's a good fish.
Nice
Wow,
fish.
That's a nice fish. He came out a little bit deeper, huh?
Yep.
Wow, that's a good one. He whaled that one too.
He hammered it.
Oh, you're using that parrot head also. That's a good
Nice
head.
fish.
Yeah. Cool.
Nice color.
Well, you're doing the job on these babies today.
Well,
That's good.
I had a good teacher.
The next bite could be a catfish. You just don't know. We're getting B-roll here, buddy. Tell us where the big ones are. Who says walleyes only live on the bottom? You hang around with the old timers. What do you mean? Am I like describing myself? Just the baby. He's just the baby.
Nice little 2-year-old.
The bogulator. Working the wood, working the wood.
On a crankbait!
Eric caught this fish. I did not catch this fish. Eric caught this fish.